The perimeter of a rectangular campsite is 64 meter and its area is 207 square meter. Find the length and the breadth of the campsite. So how can you solve? Look, here the information says the perimeter of a rectangular campsite is 64 meters. So perimeter is 64 meter. Here length equal to L and breadth equal to suppose B. Then here the question says perimeter. Perimeter equal to 64. So what is the formula for perimeter? That will be 2 multiplied by L plus B equal to 64. Or we can write L plus B equal to 64 divided by 2, that is 32. Okay. This is equation 1. And another information has been given. That is area is 207. So area is 207. So what is the area here? Length multiplied by breadth equal to 207. Now we can write length equal to 207 divided by breadth. So this is suppose equation number 2. Now we will substitute the value of L, that is 207, that is 207 by B in equation 1. That means putting or substitute L equal to 207 by B in equation 1. If we substitute this one, then we will get actually, instead of L, we will put the value 207 by B plus B equal to 32. Now, B is our LCM, so we can write 207 plus B square equal to 32. Okay, so we can write B square plus 207 equal to 32B. Okay, now we can write B square minus 32B plus 207 equal to 0. So 207, we need to find out the prime factors of this one because we'll solve this equation by using the factorization method. That means we need to use middle term. Okay, so here we can divide. If we divide 207 by 3, 3 6 18, we have 2 as remainder, 27, 3 9 is 27. Again, 69 can be divisible by 3, so 323 is 69. Now, 23 plus 9, 32. So instead of this one, we can write B square minus 23B minus 9B plus 207 equal to 0. Right now, we can write from this equation, we can take B as a common factor. So B into B minus 23. And if we take minus 9 as a common factor, we will get B minus 23 equal to 0. That means here we are taking B as a common factor. So B into B minus 23. If we take minus 9 as a common factor, we get minus 9 into B minus 23 equal to 0. Now, from these two terms, we can say B minus 23 into B minus 9 equal to 0. So here we will get either B equal to 23 or 9. So if B equal to or breadth equal to 23 or 9, then what will be the length? So length will be, if we input instead of breadth 23, we will get 207 by 23. That will be 9. And if we substitute actually instead of breadth 9, then length will be 207 divided by 9 equal to 23. So here the best answer is that length equal to 23 and breadth equal to 9. And this is the solution of this problem.